Hi guys, in this video I will discuss about decision theory. Okay, let's discuss it in this video. The first is the definition of statistical decision theory is a branch of statistics that is used to help make decisions under conditions of uncertainty by taking into account the probability and possible outcomes. In this theory, decisions taken are based on data and probabilistic model to estimate the result of a first alternative. This theory is very useful in various fields, including business, economic, financial, and engineering to optimize decision making. The purpose of statistical decision theory is helping to make the right decision, identifying the best alternative, application in condition of uncertainty. Type of decision theory. Definition of decision problem. The first step is to understanding and define the problem to be solved. It is important to determine the relevant decision variables, namely the factors that can be controlled and that will affect the outcome of the decision. Identification decision alternative. Compiling various decision alternatives available to be taken. This alternative can be a choice or strategy that can be done to achieve the desired result, taking into account the existing limitation or constraint. Preparing of loss or profit function. Prepare a loss or profit function for each alternative that has been identified. This function is used to assess the result that can be obtained from each alternative based on the expected result or profit or loss. Profitability calculation. Using data or profitability estimates to calculate the possible result that can occur from each alternative. This probability can be obtained from historical data, experiment, or estimate calculated based on current conditions. Decision selection. Using the result of the previous step to choose the alternative with the best result. Optimal decisions are made based on profitability calculation and evaluation of expected loss of profit. Then the function of advantage and disadvantage. Utility function. The profit function measures the benefit or positive value resulting from a decision. This shows how useful or profit the decision is, usually in the form of financial value or other satisfaction. Objective. The profit function focuses on maximizing the profit or benefit obtained. Decision maker will choose the alternative that provides the greatest profit or benefit according to the goals they want to achieve. Example, in business, the profit function is used to measure the financial benefit of business decision, such as choosing a product that produces the highest profit margin. Loss function. The loss function is used to measure the loss or negative impact caused by the decision taken. Usually this describes how bad the result of the decision made are. For example, is the form of cost or this value. Objective. Objective to minimize the loss incurred so that decision make there to cost alternative that reduce the possibility of the great loss. Example, in the worldwide investment, loss can be the form of a decline in stock price that causes a loss of money in an investor causes a risky investment. The loss function which measures the loss from the result such as falling stock price. Next, decision making criteria. Maximize decision or pessimist, optimist approach choosing an alternative with the maximum potential profit that can be active incurring loss. Maximum decision optimist approach causing the alternative with the smallest loss in the worst case, prioritizing safety, whose with decision mix of optimism and pessimism. Combination both maximus and maximin by giving certain weight to gain of loss, creating a more balanced decision. Laplace decision probability average use the average probability of an alternative assuming as a actually likely often used when probability are or equal. Here all the question advantage held in more important decision making, reduce curtain in decision making, better risk management limitation, request accurate and complete data, probability model might not always replicate relative perfectly, relation on estimate and assumption. So, in consolation, statistical decision theory help in rational decision making, which enable decision maker to make more informed and measured choice. Effective in dealing with uncertainty and complexity by considering various alternatives and possible outcomes, statistical decision theory helps reduce risk and increase the likelihood of active decision outcome, even though in certain conditions. Statistical decision theory, decision maker can minimize loss and maximize profit, and utility available information to achieve the best result based on excellent data. Maybe That's all I can say. More or less, I apologize. See you and bye bye guys. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.